Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingpuli ka jingseo ka baret but hila ban layu ban puli da ka education loan. Hila ruban shukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan ar riwe khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
Unong aikti jok sorkar MDA 2 uba polling do ulong maka jingkeno bagadan ke Jingbamsap yau Khaw kide ke jingkeno ke bom shisha maya gani lalap ling baga kenhun toket katkom ka kai phot uba pol long wakam shim ladan kata ka kam bamsap bat kide tang ke jingkeno ulai thu baga jing slam jok ka kai phot kadai namar baga duna palat ke jinge trei lang bat ki pulit kumban chupkin mau ba arsna min chwa kata hau julio arja arpwe ki pulit ka Assam kelayo Kurup silak berni u Khaw na ka wei ka kudam bat utei u Khaw ubadai na ka benta ka jala Meghalaya
has been already processed and the inquiry report is ready, and as per this report all allegations of rice scam are baseless, and there is no iota of truth in any of the allegations. That is the view that has also been put up before the AG of the state, and the AG was very clear, was very lucid, was very very pointed in his observation that the allegations have no legs to stand upon, and therefore the case cannot be regarded as a scam. Having obtained the views of the law department and the Advocate General, and having observed the view that the actual incident and the case was delayed because of lack of coordination with the Assam police, where the scam was supposed to have taken place. I had observed accordingly that in future there should be a definite timeline for inquiries, so that parties who are alleged to have committed such scams are not, and the department are not dragged into needless controversy. From the file notings, it was just a matter of the location which was not properly recorded, and therefore the case was handed over to the Assam police, and on further inquiries and based on the inquiry report, the file then went through the law department and the Advocate General, and they were very clear, as I said, they were very clear that no such scam had taken place.